Welcome to Science Streams. If you are interested in all things science in a fun, wholesome environment, you are in the right place. SciAnts is a unique husband and wife team of Bálint and Lita, who hold their Ph.Ds in molecular and systems biology from Dartmouth. What can you find here? The SciAnts team is dedicated to making science more accessible to our entire community. They believe that it is the responsibility of scientists to engage with the general public, and Twitch is one of their media doing this. By showcasing their own research, highlighting new discoveries, answering viewer questions, and sharing their passion with you. We do a variety of interactive science streams, including microscopy of ancient amber with insects, 3D printing, art, science news and deep dives, the occasional game, and more. If you've ever wanted to have a fun space to nerd out, now is your chance. We stream daily science content here on Twitch. Understanding not just what we know, but how and why we know it is the essence of scientific knowledge. Check out the About page for more information, and consider hitting the follow button to join our colony and our mission in science for all.